Choo-choo! All aboard the number train! Let's count and have some fun! One shiny rocket zooming through the sky, waving its fin as the stars go by. Two cute robots dancing with glee, waving their arms so happy and free. Three yummy ice creams, sweet as can be. Chocolate, vanilla, and strawberry. Four little planes flying up high, zooming in circles across the sky. Five baby dinosaurs roaring in play, stomping and jumping all through the day. Six rolling marbles, shiny and bright, colorful balls spinning with delight. Seven happy hearts glowing with cheer, spreading their love far and near. Eight tasty candies bouncing around, sweet little treats that we have found. Nine big planets spinning in space, each one smiling in its own place. 10 fireflies glowing, lighting the night, shining so pretty, what a magical sight. Wow, we counted from 1 to 10. Great job! The train is stopping now.